This super cool landscaping edging kit was gifted to me in exchange for my review. The kit did come with the two 50 feet landscaping edging and then also with the 150 spikes. Now these spikes are very durable and are going to make it very easy to install this in my yard. These spikes are 6 inches and are suitable for most soil types. When putting them in, you're just going to slide the spike right through the landscaping edging where they have holes already designated for them. This landscaping edging kit is super simple. Anyone can do this. There's no digging required, and all you do is cut it to your desired length and put those durable spikes in the holes. So this edging would be perfect for gravel, keeping your pathway, soil erosion. It'll help stop that. It also helps just neat and tidy up your garden, really. I'm using it right here in this palm tree. I've always been putting mulch down and it just gets all over. And with this, it really will have a designated edge for the mulch to stay within. Let me zoom out on this. It really was easy to set the edging. I had a lot of curves with this circle, and you can see how easy I could adjust that and move it around. And you just put the spike where you want it, and it was great. Right here, I did it by the palm tree, and then I also did it on my side yard. So if you're looking for a flexible edging, this is it.